well, hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to go through my current Lush favourites. Now, I haven't filmed one of these in a few months and I like to do them every so often because if you guys have been long-time subscribers, you will know that a few years ago, I used to do not only monthly favourite videos where I would go through like my entire favourites of every category every single month, but I also went through a phase as well of doing like monthly Lush favourites. However, it got a bit much, it got a bit samey, so now I like to do occasional current favourites from Lush, and I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 products that I can honestly say hand on heart I have been non-stop using for the past few weeks, and I am absolutely obsessed with them all. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So before I begin with all of the products, I do just want to say if you guys want to get your hands on any of these items, I will leave my Lush affiliate link down below. It would mean the world if you would use it. You don't have to, but it's there and I would just really appreciate it. But anyway, let's dive into all the products. I'm so excited. Okay, we're doing this in no particular order. So the first thing I have been obsessed with is actually such a big shock for me because initially when I smelt this, I was like, that is good, but is it something I would wear? I have been wearing this every single day at work and I don't know if it's the freshness of it that I like or if it just kind of wakes me up in the morning. I have no idea, but that is the Dirty Body Spray. I actually got kindly gifted this one from Lush a while ago and obviously I was very grateful, but I was like, I've never really been like a dirty kind of gal, you know what I mean? But I'm obsessed. Like, it is so good. It's just such a fresh smell. Like, it smells clean and I really love that. And I feel like with this one you can definitely layer it with other fragrances like a perfume or anything like that, and it just works well. Ingredients wise in this one, it has things like spearmint oil, oh, that's a weird word, tarragon oil. It's not a weird word, I just couldn't read it. Lavender Absolute, thyme oil. We've also got, I think that's it, neroli oil. Did I say that already? It is just a very minty smell. Like, that is the best way to describe it. It just smells like mint, but it's good and I really enjoy it. So that is the body spray I've been obsessed with over the past, I mean, to be honest, it's probably been more so the past like few months rather than few weeks. I've just been really enjoying this one. The next item is a body lotion, and if you guys have watched me for a while, you will know that firstly I have mentioned this particular body lotion in a lot of videos, but also I'm not necessarily a body lotion kind of gal. Like, I feel like I'm the sort of person that will get in the shower or get in the bath, I'll get out and I'm cold and I don't want to moisturize because I can't be bothered, and I know that's awful, but considering I have used a lot of this one already, I feel like that kind of shows how much I'm enjoying it, and that is the Lime Bounty Moisturizer. If you guys didn't know, this product came out a little while ago, and to be honest, I've loved it ever since it came out, and I have gone through 4 pots maybe of this minimum. Like, I am obsessed with it. So this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful lime green colour and it is more on the thicker side, I won't lie to you. Like, it is a thicker body lotion, however I just really love it. Like, it just gives such a moisturized feeling afterwards, and I do always use this one before bed because otherwise it is quite an oily texture. Like, as you can see on my hand, you may or may not be able to see, I don't actually know, but it is a very glossy kind of oily residue texture, but it doesn't stop me from loving it. So yeah, that is the Lime Bounty lotion. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got extra virgin olive oil, you've got shea butter, you've got cocoa butter, you've got coconut oil, you've got kapuchi butter, lime oil, grapefruit oil. It is just full of loads of wonderful things and I absolutely love it. Is it as good as Sleepy? No, I'm a Sleepy lotion kind of gal, like through and through. I love that lotion. However, this one is a wonderful alternative if you just want a different scent, if you want to mix it up. It's a great one to go for. The next 2 items go hand in hand, and that is the banana shampoo and the banana conditioner. I ever so kindly got gifted these ones as well, and honestly, I can say hand on heart that these are becoming probably one of my all-time favourite Lush hair care items. Like, I absolutely love these. Now, let's start with the shampoo. The shampoo isn't my favourite shampoo of all time. I am personally like a new shampoo bar kind of gal. I love Big Shampoo, but this one is really cutting it close because it's kind of like Big Shampoo but for like dry hair. Like, it has the scrubby kind of, the scrubbiness, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you without tipping it everywhere. It has the scrubby element of Big Shampoo, but it's banana, so it's softening. It smells really good as well, and I am just obsessed with this. Like, my hair has never felt softer. Like my hair, as you guys know, like it doesn't really grow very quick. It's very fine. It is naturally curly, so like it is dry. Paired with this, I am shocked. Honestly, I love these two so much. So finishing off with the shampoo, ingredients wise in it, we've got things like sea salt, you've got molasses, you've got fair trade bananas, tonka absolute, vanilla absolute. It also has Brazil nut oil, you've got kapuchi butter, you've got linseed oil. It's full of lovely, incredible ingredients, and I cannot fault this. Like I literally cannot fault this at all. It is so good. So if you need a new shampoo and you struggle with like drier hair, insane. The conditioner, I think it could be my favourite Lush conditioner of all time. So this is the banana conditioner. Obviously it goes hand in hand with the shampoo. This one has the same packaging. I am just obsessed with it. Ingredients wise in this one, you've got agar gel, you've got almond milk, you've got olive oil, argan oil, you've got kapuchi butter, you have got soya yogurt, tonka I cannot speak. Tonka absolute and vanilla absolute is what I was going to say. I'm obsessed with this. Like if you've got dry hair, incredible. I have used quite a lot, which makes me really sad because it means I'm going to have to go and get another pot. But look at how beautiful and creamy that is. I honestly, it smells, I've just got that up my nose. It smells insane. It is banana-y, but it's not an invasive banana. Creamy, sweet, but subtle at the same time. It is so good. And again, honestly, the smallest amount of this goes a long way because it is very thick, as you guys can see. Like I can literally hold it like, can you imagine if it went everywhere? Anyway, you can hold it like this, nothing comes out. I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed. So these two products, I think are probably my favourite out of everything I'm going to show you. Insane. Okay, let's talk lip scrub. So this lip scrub came out for the Halloween range of 2024. You may or may not still be able to get your hands on it. Go and check your local stores. I really hope you can because I am obsessed with it. This is the Blood Orange lip scrub. I am a big fan of this. It is so delicious. Not only does it smell amazing, it tastes amazing. If you love the taste of kind of like orange sweets, you will love this one. And again, if you guys haven't ever used a lip scrub, essentially you take a tiny bit on your hands like this, you rub it on your lips like this, and you lick it off. Job's a good in. Oh, it is so good. Like I could sit here just eating this out of the pot. I won't, but I definitely could. Delish. Before I sit here and eat the entire pot, ingredients wise in this one, you have got jojoba oil, orange oil, davana oil, and another oil that I can't pronounce. It's Tagetes. Not really sure, but this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. Again, love a lip scrub. This one especially. Delicious, delicious. Another hair care item that I have been obsessed with is probably going to be not a shock to a lot of you, because if a lot of you have been on social media recently, you would have seen this product kind of go viral. I'm not going to lie, like it has gone everywhere, and that is the Super Milk Conditioning Hair Primer. I absolutely love this product so much. So I tend to use this when I do like a slick back bun, or even if my hair as it is now, it is clean, it has been washed, I'll spray a little bit on my hand and just kind of smush it. Smush, is that the right word? Scrunch, zhuzh it, and it just gives off the smell. I honestly, it smells incredible. Scent wise, it's caramelly, it's sweet, it's really creamy. It's a very liquidy product. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see if I tip it how liquidy it is. So it does spray out like a spray, which I really love, because when this first came out it kind of sprayed like a water jet and you'd kind of get sprayed in the face. It was all a bit of a situation, but now beautiful. Ingredients wise in this one, you've got almond milk, you've got coconut milk, you've got oat milk, you have got olive oil, you've got tonka absolute. It is just full of incredible ingredients that I honestly just absolutely love. And again, I'm just so obsessed with this just for the smell. Like it is literally the product that I will spray in my hair to leave the house, and it is just so good. So yeah, obsessed with that one. And last but definitely not least, I have two skincare items. The first one is a cleanser, and that is the Let the Good Times Roll facial cleanser. I have been a fan of this for a long time, but I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I am a little bit more lazy with my skincare than I should be, especially now that I'm like over 30. Like I'm 31 in January, it's gross. Anyway, now that I'm getting old, cry. I definitely need to take care of my skin a little bit more, so I have been leaning more towards using like a lovely gentle scrubby kind of cleanser, and this is perfect. It's moisturizing, it smells like popcorn, and it's got the most gentle exfoliant in it honestly ever. Like it's literally like finer than sand. It is insane. And I don't actually have the ingredients on this one because it's all come off the pot, but it's basically just full of lovely softening ingredients, and I just love it. So that is what it looks like, and it smells like popcorn, and I just really am enjoying it. So that is the facial cleanser I've been obsessed with. And last but definitely not least, I have a face mask favourite, and if you guys have watched me for a while, you're probably going to know what face mask this is. It is not Mask of Magnaminty. Can you have a guess? Have you guessed? If you guessed cup of coffee, you would be correct. This honestly is one of my all-time favourite products. I absolutely love it. This Mask of Mag and Beauty Sleep are just amazing. This is really great for a morning mask, a very scrubby, a very kind of invigorating, wakes you up in the morning kind of mask, and I absolutely love it. The only thing I find is that all of the oils kind of go in the ridge, so it goes everywhere. Other than that, can't complain. Honestly, the smell is I'm salivating. It's so good. This is what it looks like. I really don't want to spill it on the carpet, so I'm just going to hold it above my face. It's like a brown. It basically looks kind of like a Starbucks mocha frappuccino in a pot. It smells so good. It is really lovely. If you guys don't like the smell of coffee, you probably won't like it. It is a very coffee-y fragrance. Anyway, I absolutely love this one. Ingredients wise in this, we've got agave syrup, we have coffee infusion, vetiver oil, you've also got vanilla absolute, you've got coriander seed oil, caffeine powder, ground coffee and talc, and it is just amazing. I absolutely love it. Again, if you've not ever tried one of these masks from Lush, I highly recommend. Obviously, if you don't like coffee or you've got incredibly sensitive skin, I probably would avoid it, but if not, incredible. I highly recommend. So those are all of my Lush current favourites. I would love to know down below, what are you loving from Lush at the moment? Leave me a list. I'm always in the kind of field to try new things, and I feel like I haven't done a general Lush shop in a while, so I might wait a little bit after Christmas and then pop to Lush and buy a few things. So any suggestions, leave me them down below. But that is everything for this video. I love you guys so much. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. We are on our way to 12,000 of you, which is incredible, and it just makes me so incredibly happy. So yeah, I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.